Hi everybody, welcome to the video for multiplying polynomials. Okay, we already added polynomials in a previous video, so now we're going to multiply. And we're going to use something called the FOIL method. F-O-I-L, all capitals, not yelling at anybody, it's not an email. Okay, that's what it's called. So it's an acronym. So it stands for first, outer or outside, inside or inner, and last. So let's write that down. This is math, so it's a sequence, like a lot of things in math. Okay, you start a car, there's a sequence, right? Take out your keys. Where are those keys? See, I wasn't ready with my prompts. Okay, here's my key. So you take out the key, put it in the door, unlock the door, open door, sit in car, close door, lock door, put on seatbelt, put key in ignition, start car. That's a sequence, right? Sequence, getting ready in the morning for school or work. Okay, so there's a lot of things that are a sequence. All right, so is this. Okay, so first is the first term in each bracket. Okay, we can put an F here for first. That'll help a bit. Okay, all right, so we're going to multiply those first. Well, let's mark the things first, and then we'll go multiply. All right, outside of the two terms that are furthest away from each other. It's supposed to be an O, not a 0. Okay, inside terms are the ones next to each other. And the last is the last term in each bracket. So far, so good, right? Okay. All right, FOIL method. All right, take the first things first, right? X to the first times x to the first, x1 plus 1, or x to the second power. Okay, outside, x times 3, 3 times x, we'll call it 3x. Inside, 5 times x, 5x. Well, that's easy, Professor Jim. Yes, it is easy. Let's not make math harder than it needs to be. All right. Last 5 times 3, 15. Again, like a lot of things, we see if there are any terms that are like terms. And if there are, we combine them, collect them, group them. You can call it any of the three. All right. 3x and 5x, they're like terms. Put them together, and this is what we get. Okay, x squared plus 8x plus 15. That's easy. I think. Looks easy, not too bad. And then we're done. Okay, next problem, if you have numbers here instead of x, you have 2x, 9x, 75x, 17x, whatever it is, you go through the same routine. You just have different terms. So let's do that. Let's change it around a little bit, and we'll do a FOIL on that, right? Pick a number, any number. Call that 3x, and let's call this something big. We'll make that 7x. Okay. Same steps, right? Same sequence. Okay. 3x times 7x, we take the numbers times each other, it's 21. X to the first plus 1 is x to the second. Okay. O on the outside, 3x times 3 is 9x. Everything's positive, you keep everything positive. If it's negative, positive times negative equals negative, negative times positive equals negative. The signs are the same for multiplying or dividing. You get a positive. The signs are different, you get a negative for multiplying or dividing two terms. Okay, back to FOIL. inside, the one's closest, 5 times 7x will be 35x. And 5 times 3 again, still 15. Okay, inner and outer, inside terms and the outside terms are still like terms, we can put them together. As long as these are both x, and the second terms are both numbers, the inner and outer terms we can combine. If this was x squared, 3x squared over here, it would change things around and then we couldn't combine. But we can, so we will. Shorten it up a little bit. 9 and 35 is 44, x and 15. 21x squared plus 44x plus 15. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. Nice and easy, right? FOIL method. We already know the distributive rule. Let's just roll through that again. Just for practice, we'll put something that has a bunch of exponents on it. So let's make it 3x to the 6th times 4x squared plus 3x. We'll expand this a little bit. Let's get one of these numbers that doesn't play that great with the other numbers, 17. Okay, distributive rule, you take the outside term times each one inside. All right, 3x to the 6th, so we'll multiply 3 times 4 first. That'll be easier, we'll make that 12. X to the 6th times x to the 2nd, when you multiply them, we add. Multiplying is fast adding. That's what they taught me in 3rd grade anyway. Okay. So x to the 8th, x to the 8th power. 3 times 3 will be 9. This will be x to the 7th power. And 51, 51 x to the 6th. Okay. See, I make mistakes too. You just erase it and keep going. All right. Nice and easy, right? Okay, so that's foiling, distributive rule, put that up there, distributive rule, distributive property, whatever you like calling these things. Rule, law, property, they're all the same thing, combine, group, collect like terms, they're all the same, they all mean the same thing. Okay, so this is multiplying polynomials 2 at a time. Okay, we're going to go wrap up this video. Thanks for watching. If you want any practice homework, just practice homework, you can write to me at profjimroxmath@gmail.com. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you can be aware of when all the new videos are coming. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Have a good one.